What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. Will here. The purpose of today's video is to capture me replacing the yellowed, ugly headlight lenses on my 993 911. The car is a 1995 coupe, and you know, the headlamps are just the lenses themselves are yellow and dirty. And so I saw somebody post in the 993 Rennthusiast Facebook group that these lenses are available, so I bought some on Pelican. So today on video I will unbox them and then I will attempt to install them. So let's get into it. I'm gonna take this over here and we'll compare it side by side with the lenses that are currently on the car. So I don't know if you can really see that, but it is definitely, the one on the right is older, it's yellower, it's kind of gross. Okay, so what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna open up the frunk, as it were, pull back this carpet here, and you're gonna see that there's a kind of a lever here, and you're gonna wanna pop that. And when you pop that, as you can see, this is gonna come right out. You want to make sure these tabs line up. Make sure they all snap. There we go. As you can see, all five. So next, you're going to want to slide this back in, but you need to be careful. You need to keep an eye on this right here. So mine's a little bit dry rotted. You see a piece of it coming off there. I don't want to make sure we line that up with this here. Okay, so there you have it. New lenses on the 993. I think it looks a lot better. You know, my only problem here is that the fog lights are still yellowed and old. I've read how-tos online about how you can pop those open and maybe clean them a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna do that because I have turbo scoops and a turbo bumper on the way, so I'll be getting rid of those anyway. A couple points I'll make about this job. When you are sliding the housing back into the wing, I guess it's called, there is a wire harness that the back of these plug into. So if you like try to force it and it's not going in, you're gonna know that you're not necessarily lined up with that harness correctly. So you'll wanna pay attention to that. And also be careful because this can break. As you can see, like the bottom part of mine got loose and it broke. So anyway, there you go. Quick, raw, real how-to on these headlights. I think it looks a heck of a lot better. I appreciate you watching. If you were into air-cooled Porsche content in general, events, cars, please subscribe to my channel. And that said, I'm out of here.